Welcome back to another video, my dear followers. For today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial of a sword called Hellslayer, which is from a famous game called Forge in Roblox. So it is a pretty cool weapon. It looks like this. And so before we start the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get the video started. that was all for today's video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, if you guys want for me to model any other weapons from the game, let me know them in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Bye.